Hey, I'm Paul, and for the past 5 years, I've been mastering the art of credit and travel hacking. And in that time, I've helped over 4,400 people repair and rebuild their credit, as well as teach them how to maximize rewards to travel first class and stay in 5-star hotels for free. So today we're going to run through one of our members' experiences that's been in the program for quite a while now. I believe Sami's been with us for about 1.5 years. So we've got Sami on the call right now. He's actually just come back from Saudi from his pilgrimage. So Sami, do you want to introduce yourself? Tell us a little bit about you and how long you've been a part of Credit Club and how you found it so far.
Okay, so as Pablo said, I've been with Credit Club around 1.5 years, and I joined already with the Amex, but I did not have a clue on how to use it or how to utilize the points or how to maximize getting points. And since joining and learning the information that's in the course, I've learned so much on stuff like manufactured spend, which has allowed me to gain enough points to literally go to Saudi in business class and stay at 5-star hotels.
Amazing, cool. And in that time, since you've been in the program, what have you learned and what have you taken away from being, part of the program and the videos itself?
Honestly, the thing that baffled me the most was the specific method you teach on the side of the course on manufactured spend and how easy and repeatable it is. Because it's allowed me to, obviously, as I said before, gain so much points. I've just used some points now, but I'm sitting on still around 140,000 maybe, give or take.
Yeah, amazing. And one thing I wanted to touch on was your experience, because literally, I think it was a few days ago, you sent me a photo of you in the lounge using your American Express. And you obviously stayed at a Marriott hotel, and that's kind of some of the stuff that we teach. How did you find that, and how did you find, staying at these lounges at the airports?
Yeah, so I had a 6-hour layover in Budapest, and obviously the lounge came in so much help because obviously it's more relaxed to sit there than outside where everyone else is sitting, and obviously the unlimited food and drinks. It's just a nice perk to have while you're traveling, because while you're traveling you don't want to be stressed and thinking about certain stuff, but then just like it's a nice place to get away.
Yeah, and just off topic, how was your pilgrimage? Because obviously you were telling me you went to Saudi. How was that? Did you enjoy it?
Honestly, it was amazing. As you can see, I've shaved off all my hair as well. But obviously, what the best thing about that was, particularly, was the Marriott hotel, because obviously a lot of people there, they want to be close to where the Haram is, where the Kaaba is, and so it's easy for them to get to their prayers and stuff. And the Marriott hotel is literally 3-minute walk away. They got shuttles outside next to it where you just hop on and it gets you even closer. But yeah, that helps so much, because obviously with stuff like that, you don't want to be focusing on. There's people there that have hotels around 10 minutes away, and they're constantly taking taxis back and forth. With that, I didn't have to worry about that. And obviously the Marriott hotel is very close, and the experience there was different than any other hotel you could have booked. Like hospitality they have there and how they take care of you there is different to any hotel I've been personally.
Yeah, and that's kind of one of the things we help in the programs. I mean, we teach you how to stay at, these Marriotts, your Hiltons and your Hyatts. Those are the 3 chains we work with. We show you how to stay at these hotels for, 70 to 80% reduced pricing. And if you want to use your points, you can use your points to book it and it'll be completely free. So that's amazing, bro. It's amazing to hear you're actually putting, the program into use and actually making something from it. Now, one of the questions I wanted to ask you is, how have you found your one-to-one group chat, and do you find it useful, since you've been in the program?
Honestly, that's probably one of the best things. There's so much good things about it. I keep saying best thing, but a lot of it is like top quality. And having a group chat where you've got credit specialists there, it's so easy to communicate with. If you're stuck on something or you want advice on something to do, anything to do with credit, it's like easy, quick replies. Like that is probably, I don't know how I never mentioned it, but one of the best things as well.
Yeah, no, amazing, bro. And that's always good to hear. And that was one of the things we decided to implement, 1.5 years ago, exactly when you joined, actually, because I thought it would be really useful for people that join, and we didn't want to be the type of people that say, go watch the videos, leave us alone. Now, talking about the videos as well, how have you found the content and the material in Credit Club 2.0? And was it easy to understand? Was it easy to consume? How long of your time did it take? Because I know you are a busy person as well. Just tell me a little bit about the content, and was it easy to go through?
Very easily laid out, and it starts off because I'll be honest with you, when joining Credit Club, I already knew a decent amount about credit, but speaking from someone that's let's say a beginner, very easily laid out from top to bottom on what is credit to how to do manufacturer spend and like how to milk points and stuff. It's laid out from literally A to Z.
Yeah, amazing. And would you say, you know, it took you a long time to go through the content, or was it, you know, fast to go through? You know, how much of your time did it take? Because we get a lot of people asking, you know, is it going to take a lot of my time? So, you know, just give an honest response of how long it took with your time.
Honestly, I can't remember exactly because obviously it was a year and a half ago and I kind of retained all the information that I learned. But the thing that I liked about it the most was there's no fluff. It's literally straight information. Some of the videos are short, some of them are a bit longer. It's straight to the point and what you need to know.
Yeah, amazing. But the final thing I want to ask you is, you know, number one, would you recommend this to someone else? And what would you say to someone who's in two minds of wanting to join the program?
Honestly, I would definitely join because it's going to constantly pay off. Like putting the investment aside, it's going to constantly allow you to save money throughout your whole life when it comes to traveling. And if you're considering joining this, you're obviously interested in traveling, and literally on hotels, car rentals, flights, you're going to throughout your life save money. It pays itself off literally.
Yeah, no, amazing, bro. And, you know, it's been a pleasure recording this video with you. Thank you for, you know, jumping on and taking your time. If anyone has any questions, drop it down in the comment section below. But we're going to call the video here. And, you know, this was Sami's experience, part of Credit Club 2.0.